It's not our first time, pero our second.
They back na ta! Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's my second.
So,
Yours are third.
I'm with my girlies again. So, ano din?
Popcorn.
Oh my God!
Oh my God. We feel so blessed.
Blessed! Thank you! Dapat mag-picture na kay atong Insta sa kay bulok na kayo.
Kayo, bulok. To be honest guys, Bisaya jud mi, so mag-Bisaya na mi din.
So guys, ara guys, mao din siya ang ghoster sa among kuan, sa among GC. Karang mo chat lang kali tapos mawagtang og pila ka adlaw.
Stem ang good.
Tapos naani sad ni ang kanang pinakasaba sa among GC.
Yes.
Mo chat lang kali pa hinungdan. Tapos ako kay Constant.
Namatay.
Uy, duklon kita. So guys,
But today
padong mi
guys,
sa
we're at
museum.
Yes.
So, nami sa plaza.
Yes guys.
Hindi kayo.
Tomorrow is my classes, so I cannot vlog with them na.
So,
Their
ginas
classes time.
So, ginasulit na lang dyan mo. Damsa. Kay
Yes.
It's a dam. Sige.
Baka everyday coffee and tea na lang. Everyday coffee and tea.
Hindi, atong kwan.
Everyday coffee. Yes.
So, ayun guys.
And yes.
Yes. Ako ba? Sige guys. Ikaw, yes.
So, what's up everyone? Today, ano mi sa Malacanang Pambansang Museum
Museum.
ng Pilipinas! Or we call it in English, National Museum.
Hi.
Hi. We're in the, in our house.
Ina. Buang-buang. Hana, dulce. So guys, we're here. Paka-uwi.
Our artworks and
waiting at
specimens
the,
are sensitive to light.
Oh my God.
Hence, flash from your camera may potentially damage our collection. In addition, works of art and exhibit installations. Keep a safe distance from our collection at all times. Here at the National Museum of the Philippines, we value your safety and enjoyment. However, the preservation, conservation, and protection and appreciated for present and future generations.
Everyone, so today
Thank you for your kind
we're at
attention.
the
Enjoy and hope to see you again
Museum.
in our next visit.
Bugo siya guys. Buso bo yan. Ano naman ibuslot sa kano bus?
Yeah, it has.
Oh, sorry.
It's not buslot.
Okay na eh.
So, can you see
Maayong adlaw. Welcome to the National Museum of the Philippines in Cebu. Thank you for including us in your itinerary. Before getting started with your museum,
Hi guys. So,
J for
padong nami uli.
J for John.
So, we went to the museum and it was not allowed to film. So, we just enjoy ourselves there. So, here. Oh my God.
Going home. But I'm going to my dad, so I can buy some pen.
So, see you later guys.
R-S
C-U-B-A-W.
X.
Manguli na jud mi guys.
I know my ABC. Next time won't you
Picture sabi, picture sa.
Ganahan ba mo nga makalibang